Hey everyone, welcome back to Johnlogy, where we make complex code simple and fun. Today, we're diving into something powerful and new, the V language and its built-in web framework called Veb. If you've used Flask in Python or Express in Node.js, this will feel familiar, but faster, cleaner, and fully compiled. So, let's break it down. First up, we've got import Veb. This simply means we're bringing in V's web module, like saying, hey, I need the web tools. Without it, you can't use any of Veb's routing or HTTP features. V keeps things explicit. You only get what you import, which makes your code super clear and safe. Next, we define a structure called context. It looks like this: pub struct context vebontate. That might sound fancy, but it's basically our way of saying, hey, use everything from Veb's context, like requests, responses, and query data, but let me customize it if I want. The keyword pub just means it's public and can be used anywhere in the project. Then we move on to our main app structure, pubstruct, app Veb static handler. This is where the magic happens. It's the core of your web app, where you define routes and serve static files like your CSS, JavaScript, and images. The static handler part tells Veb to automatically handle those files for you. Now inside fn main, the fun begins. We create a new app instance, tell it where to find our static files, and finally run our web server with veb.run app context mutapp 8080. That last line starts your app on port 8080, so you can open your browser and see it running. And the little exclamation mark you see there, that's how V handles errors safely. Next are our routes, the paths that define what happens when someone visits your site. For example, the home route looks like this: pub fn app and app index mut ctx context veb.result. That basically means when someone goes to your homepage, render the HTML template called index.html. Templates in V are awesome because they're built at compile time, so they're blazing fast. And here's a cool one: the dynamic route. Hello name, pub fn app and app hello mute ctx context, name string veb.result. This lets us grab someone's name right from the URL, like hello Alice, and display it on the page. The template picks it up using namevar, and boom, instant personalized response. So that's the full picture. From importing Veb to structuring your app, running your server, and handling routes. Everything in V feels clean, simple, and really efficient. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more V language and coding deep dives. This is Johnlogy, where we make coding feel like magic. See you in the next video.